All right, while we're waiting on our vegetables to cook off over there, by the way, which smells amazing with the fresh butter cooking, that's totally different than using a stick of butter, that's it. I mean, it smells good. I'm gonna go ahead and go through making a pan of cornbread right quick with you. So to start off with, we got that All-Star Hitter batting 1,000 bacon grease. We're gonna use Hudson cream, white cornmeal. I don't know, it feels like I got about a third of a bag, but I'm gonna be making 2 pans of cornbread today. 1 egg. That buttermilk, about $4.50 for a half gallon. We're going to stir all this together. It needs to be liquid, just pretty thick. It don't get all elasticy like a biscuit. But if you don't have an egg, you can still make your cornbread. I mean, it just helps hold it together. Ain't no big deal. If you ain't got buttermilk, use milk. And like I said before, you could probably even make bread with just plain water. Kids have got all the potatoes chopped up, so we'll be ready for the next step here in a minute. But there's a bunch of kids here this weekend, so I figure I'll probably need a great deal of cornbread. All right, now, that's pretty hot. All right, we got our high back chicken fryer, then we got our old bread pan. Just take your spoon and go around the top of it. Not smearing it, just bouncing it up and down. There's one. There's 2, and that's all there is to cornbread, really. I can let you know baking time. I'll try to keep an eye on it. All right, we're probably less than a half an hour in on our bread, so hopefully it all sticks together and comes out good. There's one. There's 2. So like I said, cornbread's pretty easy. You just got to pay it a little attention. Toward the end, I don't know if it's the cornmeal or what, the kind of browns a little faster than a biscuit. So we all like that golden brown color, and we've all accidentally summoned a demon or made charcoal or lava before that we couldn't eat. So just a little bit of extra attention. Kind of running a little slow today anyways. I don't know, depressed, brain fog, whatever you call it. Just, but we get up and we make it happen, right? So that's cornbread, and very easy, very good.